I'm Joe with Foundation Solutions 360, and today we have a customer who needs basement waterproofing. They have a cinder block wall. The complaint with the customer today is they have water coming up right from where the floor meets the footing. That's called the cove. And with the cinder block walls, you get a lot of moisture that sets in these. And what happens is over time they have little channels in between each one and they fill with water. So what we did is we busted out the cement floor here. We're going to drill our weep holes and put our track system in. So we'll show you the track system next. Alright, so we got half the basement finished now. What we have here is this is the footing that's exposed. We've got the cinder block wall. You can see a lot of signs, a lot of moisture on this wall. Later on we're going to end up drilling our weep holes in between each one of these courses. So there's a couple ways that you can do this system. There is no one system that fits all, so we've adapted to be able to do both systems. So one method that you can do is you put the system on the footing. And then the track system sits up here, and then you re-cement over. All right, and that works great when you have 5-6 inches of cement. However, you can see the problem here is the footing sits too high. That's not going to work. You can't put 1 inch of cement on here. That's going to be prone to cracking. So we always carry both with us, whatever works for the homeowner. So in this case, we'll put the system next to the footing. Dig the trench, put the pea gravel down for drainage. Put these two systems together. Connect them. Down. Now you're ready for cement. Now you're going to have your 3 inches of cement back over, and we have the backing here in case any moisture gets down through there. So next we'll show you the system put together. Alright, so this is the track system that's in half of the basement. We've made our trench all the way through. You can see there's just so much moisture in these, it's just falling apart. It's still salvageable. Everything is still structurally sound. But at some point, you're looking at replacing actual cinder blocks. So here's the system put together, sloped down towards the pit. Here's one of our pits put in. Now, I've unplugged this for about 5 minutes so that you can hear this pump. Everybody raves about these quiet check valves and how quiet this pump is, so I'll show you right now. You gotta come closer so you can hear. You see it working? Now listen for it to shut off. That's it. Everybody talk. I love these pumps. Quiet check valves. There's no shaking of the pipe. Nobody can hear it upstairs. A lot of people complain about some pumps and the check valves, the cheap ones you get from Home Depot. This shakes the joists of your house, especially if you live right upstairs. One of the bedrooms are up there. These are great pumps. We always use perforated pits, wrap it with a liner, which works great. So next we'll show you drilling the actual cinder block walls, getting the weep holes, and you'll probably see water come out. Alright, so now that we got the track system laid in, what we're going to do is we're going to drill weep holes and see if there's any water that comes out. Usually there is, so let's take a look. Alright, so that's what we're going to do along the whole system, down the wall. And you can see the water coming out. We had a lot of water yesterday when we were jackhammering. As soon as we got the floor open, a lot of the water did come out. But you can see that's what fills up. Those are the channels that fill up. And you can see the discoloration on the walls. This is usually an indication of how high the water gets in these channels. So next, well, actually, when we're all done doing the cement, well, this is the last part of basement waterproofing. We've got all the cement in, the track system's in. This is the final part right here. So at this point, the customer, it's got a lifetime warranty, transferable, and it should never get water on this floor again. Thanks for watching our video, and hope we'll be seeing you soon. Thanks.